Here we have number 2. We're asked to sketch and name the solid produced by rotating the figure around this given axis. We're also going to make sure we label the parts. So here, this is the y-axis for number 1 that it is being rotated on. When it's rotated, it basically makes a circle right here. Do you see that? Very big. And if we extend that vertically, and the rotation again is on bottom, this does look like a very large cylinder. The cylinder here this is the center, will have a radius of 8, and this is the up and down with a height of also 8. Next for B, here it's going to be rotated around the x-axis. During its rotation, it's going to make a circle. Bottom will also make a circle as well, and we connect this. This also still looks like it is a cylinder. The radius is from that center, so the radius is equal to 2, and the height is the parallel part. The height is going to be 5. B, the top's gonna, this is going to be rotated around the y-axis. The top is a point. It rotates about a point. Here, everything else, this is a circular. Connecting it, that does become a cone. And when it becomes a cone, this looks like it has a height of 4. And this is the slant height of 5. And if we do Pythagorean theorem, you're going to get the radius of 3 here, radius of 3, because that again is from a Pythagorean triple. Next, when we rotate this around the x-axis, notice that it forms a circle right here, and right here this becomes a hemisphere. And the hemisphere will have a radius of 3. There you go. That's what happens when you rotate these figures.